Tom was a university student. He was in his second year of college, studying business administration. He liked playing soccer and video games, but he did not like studying. He always told himself, "I will study tomorrow," but tomorrow never came. One day, his professor announced, "Next week, you will have your final exam. It will be difficult, so you must study hard." Tom's heart started beating fast. He had not read the textbook. He had not reviewed his notes. He was not ready at all. Tom decided to make a plan. He wrote down his schedule for the week. "I will study 3 hours every day," he said to himself. But on the first day, his friend invited him to play soccer. Just 1 hour, Tom thought. But 1 hour became 3, and he did not study that day. The next day, he opened his textbook, but his phone kept buzzing. Just 5 minutes on social media, he thought. But 5 minutes became 2 hours. He felt guilty, but promised to study the next day. On the third day, he went to the library to avoid distractions. He saw many students studying seriously. This motivated him. He opened his notebook and started reviewing his notes. He realized that some topics were very difficult, and he wished he had started earlier. Tom asked his friend, Lisa, for help. Lisa was a top student and very organized. She told him, "You need to focus. First, make a list of the important topics. Then, study one topic at a time. Don't try to learn everything at once. Also, take breaks to keep your mind fresh." Tom followed Lisa's advice. He turned off his phone and started studying in short sessions. He used flashcards to remember key points. He also practiced past exam questions. Every day, he felt more confident. As the exam approached, Tom developed a new habit reviewing his notes before bedtime. He realized that reading before sleeping helped him remember information better. He also started using study groups. Studying with friends made learning more interesting and helped him understand complex topics through discussion. Lisa also taught Tom a new technique called the Pomodoro method. He studied for 25 minutes and then took a 5-minute break. This kept his mind fresh and helped him focus longer. Tom was surprised at how much he could learn using this method. The night before the exam, Tom felt nervous. But he reminded himself, "I have studied. I am ready." He slept early to have a fresh mind for the next day. On the exam day, he took a deep breath and started writing. Some questions were hard, but he stayed calm and did his best. He used the techniques he had learned, eliminating wrong answers first and managing his time wisely. After the exam, he felt relieved. A week later, the professor gave back the results. Tom looked at his paper and smiled. He had passed with a high score. "I learned an important lesson," he thought. "Next time, I will not wait until the last minute to study." From that day, Tom became a better student. He still played soccer and video games, but he always made time for his studies. He realized that a little effort every day makes a big difference in the end. Later, when Tom faced another challenging exam, he was well prepared. He managed his time better and felt more confident. His grades improved, and he became more responsible. His friends even started asking him for study tips. One day, a freshman approached Tom and asked, "How do you study so well?" Tom smiled and said, "It's all about planning and consistency." Start early, stay focused, and use the right techniques. Moral of the story: good preparation leads to success. Don't wait until the last minute.